In this video, I will show you how to install AccuWeather on your Android TV. If you have an Android TV, this video is for you. If you find it helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So on your Android TV, after connecting to the internet and you want to install AccuWeather, here's what you can do, especially if you have Google Play Store or App Store, or if the application is not found on your App Store. So what should we do in such a situation? In that situation, you can use this application I love use a lot called Downloader. Downloader is an application that you must have if you have an Android TV. What it does is that it helps you, it gives you the ability for you to search APKs apps from the internet, and you can all get these applications to your Android TV. So if you don't have download on your Android TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there for you that's going to help you to get AccuWeather. Sorry, it's going to help you to get downloader. Once you go to downloader, you're going to launch it, and here's how the interface look like. Now, in the search bar or search box, you're going to type in AccuWeather APK, or just AccuWeather, or type in install AccuWeather. Now, the more specific the keyword is, the more specific your results are going to look like. So if you type a keyword like AccuWeather and just click on Go, it's going to show you a landing page or a result page with various options about AccuWeather. So you're going to try to locate the one that has an install button, or the one that has to do with install. So there are many options. Always go through them to see which one works for you. And then these options also depend on the keyword that you search. So for this keyword, we're just going to try out this option. Once you click on this option, here's what is going to happen. It's going to lead us to a page on the browser of Google Play, and we can click the install button and install the application to our Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful.